Hello everyone, welcome back to Divine Mercy Pastry channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the latest snacks in town. The latest snacks, very tasty. Let's go. Here we have 4 cups of flour, 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Pour it in a big bowl. We have half cup of sugar, half cup of granulated sugar, 2 cubes of Maggi, 2 cubes of Maggi. I'm using Onga, so you can use any Maggi of your choice. Peel your Maggi and squeeze it. Just make sure it is scattered inside the mixture. Peel the second Maggi. Yes. The next thing we'll be needing now is our salt. Here I will be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes. And 5 grams hot pepper. All the hot pepper for everything. 5 grams hot pepper. This is already ground pepper, you can see it. Here we'll be needing our spicy, coastal spicy. Also 1/4 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of the coastal spicy. So if you don't have a coastal spicy, you can use curry. You can use your curry to substitute this. Now the next thing is to mix everything together. Mix everything together with your fingertips. So continue mixing. So this is it. Now you pour your vegetable oil. This is 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Then mix it together. Continue mixing with your fingertips. Until it looks like fine gari. You know that kind of gari before frying. Continue mixing with your fingertips. Continue mixing. Please try this. Very tasty and delicious. You can give it any name. It's a new idea. Here is it. Can you see? It's now wet. Now form a hole in between your flour. Form a hole in between the mixture. Now pour 1 cup of water inside it. Mix everything together. Continue mixing. Continue mixing. Continue mixing until it is very succulent. Keep mixing. You have to continue. Make it soft. Now, look at it. Our mixture is ready. So you have to leave this for like 10 minutes. Let it rest. After then, you will roll it on a chopping board, just as if you are rolling your chin chin. So leave it to rest like 10 minutes. So here we go. After frying our snacks, you can see it. Isn't this beautiful? Very tasty and delicious. I told you it's a new idea, so I want you to try this. Very tasty. You know, I told you you're going to cut it in form of, you're going to roll it out in form of chin chin, just as if you are rolling your chin chin. So I make use of this cutter to cut this shape, and I also make use of this star cutter as well. You can see some star. Yes, there are some star shape. So you can also cut it in form of a triangle. So you can decide to cut it in any shape of your choice. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also click on the bell to get you notified of our new video. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.